Here's the plan. In the next few minutes, you'll discover 30 budget tech upgrades that turn small problems into big wins. Faster streaming, smarter lighting, cleaner desks. We start with the showstopper deal first, then ride an emotion curve, from surprise to add to cart, using real-life use cases you'll recognize. I'll explain what each gadget is, how it helps, and why it's worth it, plus a few clever twists along the way. Number 1. Blink Mini 2. Blink Mini 2 is a tiny plug-in camera for quick home monitoring. It delivers 1080p live view, two-way talk, motion alerts, and color night view, thanks to a built-in spotlight. Use the Blink app to check in, talk to pets, and stream continuously, with subscription. The wider field of view and crisp audio make it a strong budget cam for apartments, nurseries, or desk-side monitoring with minimal setup. Number 2. Anker 325 Power Bank. A reliable 20,000 mAh power bank with USB-C and dual USB-A outputs to keep phones, earbuds, and small devices charged for days. It supports fast charging on compatible devices and remains travel-friendly for commutes or weekend trips. Anker's proven safety features and sturdy build make it a dependable budget battery you can toss in a bag, ideal backup power for creators filming on the go. Number 3. Soundcore Motion 300. Motion 300 delivers wireless high-res sound with 30-watt output in a compact, IPX7 waterproof build. SmartTune auto-adapts the sound based on orientation, stand it up or lay it flat, and bass up boosts low end without muddying vocals. With Bluetooth 5.3 and solid battery life, it's a rugged grab-and-go speaker for park hangs, travel, or quick B-roll shoots needing punchy, clear audio from a small chassis. Number 4. Anker PowerCore Essential 20,000 PD. A high-capacity, 20,000 mAh bank with USB-C power delivery to fast-charge modern phones and handhelds, plus an extra USB-A port for a second device. Despite the capacity, it's slim enough to travel easily and includes Anker's Multi-Protect safety system. Great when you need reliable PD output for phones, action cams, or lights during long shooting days or weekend adventures. Number 5. Echo Dot. The most popular Echo gets improved audio with clearer vocals and fuller bass in a compact sphere. Built-in motion and temperature sensors let you trigger Alexa routines, like turning on lights when you walk in or running a fan when a room gets warm. It's an easy, low-cost way to add better sound, voice control, and automation to bedrooms, kitchens, or offices. Number 6. Echo Show 8. Echo Show 8 brings a brighter 8-inch display, richer speakers, and a built-in camera for crisp video calls. With Alexa, you can watch Prime Video, stream music, control smart home devices, and see live feeds from compatible cameras. Adaptive color and widgets turn it into a glanceable home hub. It's a great all-in-one screen for the kitchen or bedroom when you want entertainment, timers, and controls in one place. Number 7. Blink Outdoor 4. Blink Outdoor 4 delivers wire-free 1080p video, enhanced motion detection, two-way talk, and improved low-light performance. With 2 included cameras and long battery life, it's simple to cover entryways or yards without wiring. Use the Blink app for live view and alerts, add local storage with Sync Module 2, and pair with Alexa for hands-free control. A strong, affordable starter kit for set-and-forget outdoor monitoring. Number 8. eufy Security SoloCam S340. SoloCam S340 combines a high-detail 3K sensor with 360-degree pan-tilt coverage and built-in solar charging for truly wire-free protection. Dual lenses offer up to 8 times zoom, on-device AI reduces false alerts, and local storage means no mandatory monthly fees. It integrates with Alexa/Google for quick views. If you want sharp, flexible coverage without climbing ladders to charge batteries, this solar-powered cam is a standout. Number 9. Nebula. Anker Capsule 3 Laser. Capsule 3 Laser Packs. True 1080p, 300 ANSI lumen laser brightness, and Android TV into a soda can-sized chassis. Autofocus, auto keystone, and HDMI/USB-C inputs make setup painless, while the 8-watt speaker punches above its size. Stream Netflix, Prime Video, and more without extra sticks. For movie nights, travel, or backyard slides, it's a premium, ultra-portable projector that's easy to toss in a bag. Number 10. Kasa Smart Plug HS103P2. These compact 15-amp smart plugs add voice and app control to lamps, fans, and coffee makers. Schedule on-off times, set away modes, or control from anywhere via the Kasa app. Works with Alexa and Google Assistant without a hub. The small footprint leaves the second outlet free. It's an inexpensive way to automate routines, cut standby power, and make dumb appliances smarter in seconds. Number 11. Govee RGBIC LED strip lights. RGBIC tech lets this strip display multiple colors simultaneously for gradient effects. With the Govee app, you get custom scenes, music sync, and millions of colors, plus hands-free control via Alexa/Google. The adhesive backing, cuttable design, and included clips simplify mounting on desks, TVs, or shelves. If you need vibrant, trending lighting for sets and B-roll, these strips deliver punchy visuals on a budget. Number 12. JISULIFE Handheld Mini Fan. A pocketable fan, flashlight, and backup power bank in one, the JISULIFE Mini Fan folds to stash easily and charges via USB. Multiple speeds keep you cool in lines, transit, or hot sets, while the integrated 4,800 mAh battery can top up a phone in a pinch. Quiet operation makes it great for travel and everyday carry. It's a tiny lifesaver for summer shoots and commutes. Number 13. WYZE Cam V3. WYZE Cam V3 captures 1080p video with a starlight sensor for vivid color at night, plus IP65 weather resistance for flexible indoor-outdoor placement. Motion and sound detection, siren, and two-way talk are built in. Store video locally with a micro SD card or use cloud features. For the price, its night performance and reliability are hard to beat, ideal for porches, nurseries, or studio doors. Number 14. Govee RGBIC LED strip lights. A longer run for wrapping rooms, gaming setups, or studio backdrops, this 65.6-foot kit uses RGBIC for flowing gradients and dynamic effects. Music Sync reacts to soundtracks, and the app offers scenes, timers, and DIY patterns. Works with Alexa/Google when paired appropriately. If you're dressing a larger space for colorful content and need consistent brightness and flexible control, this kit is excellent value. Number 15. WYZE Cam Pan V3. Pan V3 adds smooth pan tilt tracking to WYZE's excellent 1080p color night vision camera. Patrol presets sweep rooms automatically. Motion tagging follows activity, and two-way audio lets you check on pets or visitors. With indoor/outdoor flexibility and local micro SD recording, it covers wide spaces affordably. Great for studio coverage, playrooms, or storefronts where a single fixed camera can't see everything. Number 16. TOZO T6 Wireless Earbuds. TOZO T6 packs touch controls, low latency Bluetooth 5.3, and IPX8 water resistance into a sleek, lightweight design. The charging case delivers multiple recharges, and the fit is secure for workouts or commutes. For under the big names prices, you still get punchy bass and clear calls. They're a crowd favorite budget set for everyday listening, editing on the go, or gym sessions. Number 17. Logitech K380 Multi-Device Bluetooth Keyboard. The K380 is a compact, quiet scissor switch keyboard that pairs with up to 3 devices and switches between them with easy switch keys. Compatible with Windows, macOS, iPadOS, Android, and more, it's travel-friendly and runs for months on AAA batteries. The rounded keys feel comfortable for long typing sessions, ideal for creators who bounce between phone, tablet, and laptop and want one portable board. Number 18. Anker 525 Charging Station, a desk-friendly power hub that replaces cluttered bricks. You get 2 USB-C ports, up to 65 watts for fast laptop/phone charging, 2 USB-A, and 3 AC outlets in a compact vertical design with surge protection. Active Shield safety monitors temperature for reliable all-day use. Perfect for creators or students who need to power a laptop, camera batteries, and accessories from one tidy station without crawling under the desk. Number 19. Soundcore by Anker Life. P3i. Life P3. iPAC's hybrid ANC to cut noise on commutes and flights, plus customizable EQ in the Soundcore app. 4 mics with AI noise reduction keep calls crisp, while the compact case delivers long total playtime with quick charging via USB-C. Comfortable, lightweight, and splash-resistant, these earbuds punch above their price. A great budget set for focused work sessions and bass-forward playlists without breaking the bank. Number 20. UGREEN Nexode 65-watt GAN USB-C wall charger. A travel-ready GAN charger that powers your everyday kit from one block. The dual USB-C plus USB-A design intelligently shares up to 65 watts, enough to fast charge a MacBook Air, iPad, and phone. GAN runs cooler and smaller than older bricks, while built-in protections keep devices safe. If you're tired of carrying multiple adapters, this compact charger is the efficient, backpack-friendly upgrade you'll actually use daily. Number 21. UGREEN Revodok 7-in-1 USB-C hub. Turn a single USB-C port into a full workstation. 4K HDMI for an external display, 2 USB-A for peripherals, SD/TF card readers for creators, and USB-C power delivery up to 100 watts pass-through. Aluminum housing runs cool and matches modern laptops, ideal for travel, editing, or presentations when you need quick I/O without a bulky dock. Simple plug-and-play that makes thin laptops far more versatile instantly. Number 22. AKASO Brave 7 LE. A budget action cam with features creators love, front and rear screens for easy framing, 4K video, electronic image stabilization, and a waterproof housing for underwater shots. Included mounts get you rolling on bikes, helmets, or tripods, while voice control and multiple modes cover time-lapse to slow-mo. If you want GoPro-style versatility at a friendlier price, Brave 7 LE is a reliable starter for adventures and vlogs. Number 23. TileMate Bluetooth Tracker 1-Pack. Attach TileMate to keys, bags, or cameras and find them fast with free app ringing and a map of last known location. If out of Bluetooth range, the Tile network helps locate it anonymously. It's water-resistant with a replaceable battery and works with Android and iOS, plus smart assistant integrations. A small, inexpensive safeguard against lost essentials that saves time and panic when you're rushing out the door. Number 24. Samsung T7 Portable SSD. T7 delivers fast transfers in a pocket-sized metal shell, great for video projects, backups, or expanding console PC storage. USB 3.2 Gen 2 speeds / waiting time, while AES 256-bit encryption keeps files protected. Shock-resistant and cool running, it's built for life on the move. If you're editing footage or carrying large libraries, this drive is a dependable, speedy upgrade compared to bulky hard drives. Number 25. Eufy Security SoloCam S220. S220 pairs a sharp 2K sensor with built-in solar charging, delivering truly wire-free security that rarely needs manual charging. Human detection reduces false alerts, two-way audio handles quick check-ins, and local storage means no mandatory monthly fees. Weatherproof and Alexa/Google compatible, it's easy to place anywhere with strong Wi-Fi. An excellent set-and-forget option for porches, sheds, and side yards where wiring is a pain. Number 26. Geekey Keychain Multitool. A clever stainless steel multi-tool shaped like a key, packing wrenches, screwdrivers, rulers, a wire stripper, scoring blade, and bottle opener. It hangs on your keyring, so it's always there for quick fixes, tightening tripod plates, opening packages, or tweaking mounts. TSA-friendly design avoids travel headaches. If you love minimalist EDC that actually earns its spot, Geekey is a durable, everyday problem solver. Number 27. YTT Touchscreen Mist Cleaner. A pocket spray bottle and microfiber sleeve in one, spritz, wipe, and your phone, tablet, or camera screen is spotless. The refillable design is eco-friendlier than disposable wipes, and the compact form factor fits pouches or pockets for travel shoots. Safe on coated glass, it removes fingerprints without streaks. A simple, low-cost tool that keeps displays looking pro, especially when fingerprints ruin your B-roll reflections. Number 28. AuKing Projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. An affordable home theater upgrade with Wi-Fi screen mirroring and Bluetooth for pairing speakers or headphones. It projects a big, bright image for movies, sports, and casual gaming. And the multiple inputs, HDMI/USB/AV, handle streaming sticks and consoles easily. Compact and easy to set up, it's perfect for dorms, living rooms, or backyard movie nights when you want cinematic vibes on a tight budget. Number 29. Kasa Smart Light Switch HS200. Replace a standard wall switch to control lights from the Kasa app, schedules, and voice, Alexa, Google. The HS200 adds away modes, gentle on-off, and scene integration with other Kasa devices. Works on single-pole circuits and requires a neutral wire. Clean look, reliable Wi-Fi, and quick setup make it a smart entry into hardwired lighting control. Great for main room lights you automate daily. Number 30. Simple Taste Milk Frother. Create cafe-style foam in seconds for lattes, cappuccinos, or iced coffee. This lightweight frother uses a stainless whisk and one-button operation with a stand for tidy storage. Great for mixing protein shakes or matcha, too. Battery-powered and easy to rinse, it's a tiny tool that massively upgrades home drinks and saves daily coffee runs. Perfect for creators filming recipe reels or anyone building a morning ritual. That's our roundup of 30 budget tech wins. Small prices, big quality. If any gadget solved a problem for you, tell me which one in the comments. And if this saved you time or money, do me a favor. Like the video, subscribe for more smart finds, and share it with a friend who loves deals. New lists drop weekly. See you in the next one.